Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream Tang. First, gather your ingredients. 1/2 cup of Tang powder, 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. Ensure all your dairy products are very cold. This preparation is crucial for achieving the best texture and flavor in your homemade ice cream. Now, let's create the base. In a large bowl, whisk together the 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of Tang powder until there are no clumps. Slowly pour in the 2 cups of cold heavy cream and 1 cup of cold whole milk. Stir continuously until the sugar and Tang are fully dissolved, creating a vibrant orange mixture. This smooth base is key for a delicious result. Next, it's time to churn. Make sure your ice cream maker's bowl has been frozen for at least 24 hours. Pour the thoroughly chilled Tang mixture into the machine and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, typically for 20 to 25 minutes, until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Then, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours to firm up. Your delicious Tang ice cream is now ready to enjoy. Scoop it into bowls or cones for a refreshing and unique dessert that brings back childhood memories. For best results, let it soften for a few minutes before serving. Store any remaining ice cream in an airtight container in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.